Right, for those of you interested in the more technical side, this machine works fine, but seems to be having sound problems after it's been on for about half an hour after it's warmed up. It's been on just about an hour now. I've been playing it and it's been absolutely fine. I've just popped to the loo and been and got some in-outs because I don't think it's a soundboard. Excuse me, I think it's the in-out, but listen. So some of the sounds. I mean, don't get me wrong, it could be the complex sounds, but I've changed a few of them on this. This machine seems to be really fussy. I don't know what the in-out has to do with the sound, but it seems everything goes through the in-out on these System80s. So, see, some of the sounds are okay. I mean, putting the coin in then was okay. Oh, it weren't then. You see that? You can tell it's not. So it's ooh. Well, there you go. I just thought I'd show you. It's not. It's not all plain sailing with these things. Oh, that's okay. No, kind of was. I love them too. But I'm convinced it's not the in-out. I'm convinced it's not the complex sounds. I don't know why I come to that conclusion, by the way. I have no idea. But I'm going to change the in-out in a minute. I've got a whole load of them that have just been done. Apart from that, you can tell, it's perfect. But obviously, the machine's no good without its sounds, is it? Because that's what it's all, well, in my opinion, sounds and light is what it's all about. Trouble is you can't help playing it. A couple more goes. It's all jumbled and mixed in it. Anyway, there you go. Alright, that will do. I'm gonna. Alright, there you go. I'll be back. We've got some new in-outs there. Well, so I'm going to be changing that main one. Mind you, they're LED lights on a little bit, the reset light, but I'm going to change that one. That's the complex sounds. But I've tried a few of them over the past. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit.